Hi guys, welcome to Trading Day, the 2nd of June 2020. It
Hello.
was an interesting day yesterday. Ming is wearing a yellow shirt, which means Zoom had an interesting day yesterday. I would like to know if you sold or didn't sell, and you're about to let us know.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, let's see. Let's jump into it. I made some moves last night. I didn't look. Uh, I did not look until now. I predict that I am hovering at low sevens, mid sevens, mid sevens.
Interesting moves then. I am very curious what happened.
I think
Okay.
mid sevens. Yeah. Oh, 7-9, 7-9,
Okay.
8-1. So high sevens. Um,
So not as bad as it could be, but not as good as it could be.
Wow, theta on Disney is just killer. I don't know whether it's theta or lack of volatility.
Mm. Yeah,
Drop in
maybe
volatility,
the
probably.
volatility went out of the market, and so then you're getting hit on both, I assume, both the put and call.
I don't think theta really kicks in that badly a month out. I'm more than a month out of the Disney call.
Yeah, so then it must be volatility. It's gotten to a stable place and hanging out.
I think that's what's going on. Anyway, 7981. The bright spot is that you don't, well, bright spot, bittersweet, don't have Zoom in there anymore.
That's incredible. You
Uh,
did sell. Congratulations.
Thank you. What did I sell it at? 555.53. So yeah, made
But
about
what was the
made just
share
over.
price that you sold at?
Sorry,
What was the share price that you sold at or so? Do you know?
206 around that.
Okay. So right in the middle of trading day yesterday, that price. You
Yeah,
sold right at the open?
yeah. When I opened up my trading account, I sold. Yeah. So anyway, I think the only super happy thing I want to report is that I have 6.15K in cash right now.
Wow. So like most of your portfolio is in cash right now. Wow.
and so
Hello
and
Zoom. Thank you Zoom.
hello Zoom. Thank you Zoom. And I was very tempted to do something last night. In fact, I made a couple moves and then I decided, you know what? Let me just enjoy a bit of cash in the account for one night before I start doing stupid stuff. So I canceled everything that I had set to do,
Okay.
and there I am.
So now tonight, what are you gonna do?
Immediately lose it all, obviously.
Of course.
Um,
What else would you do with all that cash?
yeah, yeah. I've been thinking. I don't know yet. I'm gonna do something for sure. I want to break 10K this week. That is my goal. So I was thinking of like plunking like quite a bit of money into spy calls, but I just like, I don't love that move uh, right away. Space crashed, like got obliterated, like nearly 10%.
Yeah.
So I might, if it drops a bit further down, I may look into buying more of space. Um, but I am looking at a couple things, namely, like I think it is always helpful to have like one or two sort of like guiding hypotheses. And broadly speaking, I was wondering why Zuckerberg took Trump's side in this battle of like free speech, whereas Twitter just said, no, we're going to like hide your tweet.
Right.
And actually, what's happening is that it's easy to forget, but we do have an election looming. And if coronavirus and stuff continues to play a big role, I imagine that maybe a lot of the spend that they were going to spend on rallies and stuff might just go straight to ads. Maybe. So I think actually Facebook's still going to be a massive beneficiary this year. And maybe Facebook didn't want to anger one of their bigger customers this year, which is Trump. He's going to spend so much money on ads.
That makes a lot of
Um,
sense.
yeah, I'm leaning towards doing another big punt on Facebook. I just think that it's not the most exciting stock, but I feel like, look, everything is using it, right? Like I'm betting on Disney. Disney Plus. I bet you most of their money is going on customer acquisition on Facebook,
Yeah.
right? All these games that are coming out that I want to. So anyway, it's a bunch of different ideas, but I think Facebook is going to play a large role in how I use this cash. There's also this interesting company called DraftKings that people talk about a lot.
Oh man, have you seen like how quickly it's gone up? It's insane.
Yeah,
Like,
and you know what's happening soon, which should bring it up. It's when NBA restarts and NFL restarts and all these other sports restart. This is like DraftKings stock price before the leagues have reopened.
yeah, this is, well, I think it's hugely overvalued now because
Oh,
1st April, it is the price was $11. Uh,
yeah,
and then 1st of June, the price is $44. 4x your money.
yeah.
2 months. Crazy. Yeah, it's probably very, very overvalued at this point. But then again, all the hype will drive it up, right? It's
Exactly.
crazy.
Anyway, yeah. So that's what I'm thinking. Over to you, Z.
All right. Prediction. I think I'm up a couple $100. So
Beautiful.
So I think I'm up a couple $100. So I think I am at the 1650 range.
Sweet. Okay.
Let's see how I did. Ooh, am I up that much? We're about to find out. I'm just gonna send this to you. So I am at $1,485, which is less than I hoped. Because maybe I'm looking at after hours. I think I've done very well after hours. And so what I did yesterday, if you look at my moves, is I sold my put and I bought 2 calls on
Yeah.
SPY. And SPY did pretty well yesterday. And I think I bought at good times. So I sold my put right at the open, which was, or very close to at the open, which was a pretty good price for the day, because then SPY rocketed up to 308, which is right where I was thinking that it would go, which is pretty amazing to see it do that. And so I think I made really good moves yesterday, selling my put, which would have lost value, and buying these 2 calls, which both gained value, 354 and 259. What are they at now? 440 and 314, it looks like. Made about 150 yesterday on those moves, which is pleasing. Like a nice little gain for the day. I guess Robinhood says I did 13% up for the day, but these positions I think are now going to hold steady, and I'll hold them for maybe another day or 2. Once SPY bounces off 110, they are sold. So that's my game plan
Once
right now.
SPY bounces off 110, 310.
Excuse me. Once SPY bounces off 310, they are sold. Like, I'm going to sell them.
Cool.
Yeah. It's exciting.
Yeah, I
to
didn't have
see
the
these
mind
pay
to.
off.
I think I'm going to start tonight. I didn't have the mind to do anything. I was looking at buying SPY calls actually last night as well, but I just wanted one night. But already just one night, I'm feeling FOMO.
Of course.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be a bit of a challenge to get up there. I think it'll happen before the end of the week, that it jumps up to 310. But at that point, there's lots of resistance, and so I think it's going to drop down. I hope it gets up to 310. Otherwise, I will feel bad because I'll have to sell around this level. But we'll see.
It seems like nothing can stop it.
Right?
Yeah.
Rioting all over the States. Like, I'm looking at Reddit and seeing all of the political unrest, and
Yeah.
SPY is up like 2 points. Like, it's up like 1% yesterday. How?
What is?
SPY.
SPY?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How can the market be up when you're at record unemployment? like rioting in the streets. Businesses are going bankrupt and shuttering. Like all of the companies all of the like the top 10 companies in SPY, like none of them are doing particularly well except maybe like Microsoft, maybe Amazon. But all of the other ones, like Apple, I can't imagine that Apple is selling tons of electronics right now. Maybe they're getting some app store downloads right now. I'm not sure, but man, like these other companies must be getting hit hard, and yet the market is still up this much. I find it phenomenal.
There's just nowhere else for the money to go. I think that's why it's just ridiculous. But there's no value. Like there's no pockets of value in the stock market right now. I think you just pump it up, like quick gains, and when it crashes, you know it's going to crash.
Yeah.
And just
but where
be
are you
ready
going,
for it.
as like an institutional investor, where are you going to put your money? Like you're not buying treasury bonds. Like what, you're getting 0.25% maybe, if you're lucky on that. You're not going to tie up your money that long. So you'll hold it in cash or put it in the market, right?
Yeah.
Well, on to 310 so that I can make $600 more. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Yeah.
So my goal is to get to $2,000 by the end of this week.
Bring it on. Let's do it. Both you and I can do it.
Yes.
I also owe you a meal I guess I owe you a meal for end of May.
Yes.
So end of April, end of May, we're going to do a nice meal when this whole thing...
I think as soon as we can go get a meal in person, then please treat me to a nice lunch. That'll be cool.
Okay, that's really all.
Yep, that's it for me as well. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below if we did some things that you think we should do differently. We will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you